Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Jigsaw look, the doll from Saw. I was going to glue my eyebrows down, but my glue's all dry. Oh, no. Eyebrow glue? Or eyelash glue? I'm going to try it. Hold on. Okay. So, I'm using my duo eyelash glue. So I put 2 coats on this one and only 1 on this one. So I'm gonna do 1 more, and I'm just putting it on my finger like a dot. Oh, a dot, and then just wiping it across. So obviously it's white, and then it'll go clear when it's dry. And once they're both dry, I'm gonna set them. So I'm just taking some Airspun. I'm just gonna set that. Be back to start putting on my white face base. Hello, I'm back. And I know this looks really white on camera. It's not that white in person. I was trying to use, you know, like those Halloween colored clay makeup things. These things, right? I was using that white, hoping I would have enough to cover my face pretty well, but I didn't. I want it to be like pretty white. It doesn't need to be hella smooth, but so now I'm using my son's finger paints and a brush. Okay, base is down. Okay, eyes next, which are black, and then we'll do all like the contouring and stuff. Okay, this here I'm gonna do different. I'm gonna use that Halloween, no, actually no I'm not. No I'm not, because you know what? I got cream makeup. Which I'm like, should I wipe it off? I guess let's see how it works. Obviously the cream makeup looks better. Obviously the black does than the white. So I'm going to try to, I just don't need to be too careful, but I'm gonna go in and do the spirals on the cheeks. This is also red cream makeup. I'm gonna go and contour with some black eyeshadow because I'm not gonna try and contour with this cream stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna use the black from the Jaclyn Hill palette called Abyss. It's that black over here. probably one of my favorite blacks. I feel like it's darker than the James Charles or the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette. Abby, can say hi. Hi. Yeah, mommy's making a video. I'm just gonna kind of lightly.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna lightly stipple. When I smile, where that line is, right there, I'm just gonna follow that and then bring it back up, just like I did on this side. Now, we're gonna go ahead and do the mouth part, and then we'll do the eyebrows, and then we'll go make it all more darker. So. That's pretty much all mapped out. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and make it all a lot darker. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put some black eyeliner on the bottom. My hands are a mess. And some red lipstick, and then I'll be back. And I'm also gonna add some black at my hairline. Next time you see me, you'll have my finished look on. And this is the finished look. Obviously, if I had like a suit little thing on and whatever, like a little tricycle, I think I did really good. I think this is one of my favorite looks. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And hit the bell next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. And then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Go ahead and leave a comment down below, maybe on some Thanksgiving looks or something that you want to see. But yeah, thanks guys. Bye.